Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. To prime my eyes, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Medium Beige and my AB8 Setting Powder in Deep Peach. Now I'm going to use the Juvia's Place, the Sweet Pinks palette. And I'm just going to take that shade right there and put that in my crease. Okay, now I'm going to use my NYX Glitter Primer, and then I'm going to take that lighter shade and put that down first, and on top of that I'm going to put that other shimmery shade on top of it. Now I'm going to use my Maven Beauty liquid eyeliner to line my eyes. Now for my lashes and my glue, I'm going to use my dual lash glue and my Ioni lashes. Now I'm going to use my Sephora eye pencil and my mascara, even though I don't know what that clip is, y'all. And now I'm going to use Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Mattifying Primer, and also my moisturizer, my L'Oreal Moisture Filler Moisturizer. Now I'm going to use my orange corrector, my LA Girl orange corrector to correct the dark spots on my face. Y'all, right here I was just being silly, having a good time listening to music, just show y'all I ain't so serious all the time. And now I'm using my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation shade 440, and also my Revlon Color Stay Foundation. I just mixed those two shades together. Okay, now just for some more coverage, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Camo Concealer Deep Cinnamon and put all the places where I put my orange corrector. I'm going to use my Essence concealer. I'm just going to use that to highlight. And now I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Multi-Purpose Foundation Sticks. Use that to contour. Now to bronze, me use my Juvia's Place bronzer palette in dark. I'm gonna use that lighter shade around my jawline and also for my nose. And then I'm gonna use the darker shade for my cheek area and my forehead. Now I set that concealer in place. I'm gonna use my Urban Decay setting powder. That's a translucent powder, and a Fenty Beauty setting powder in honey. Now for my all over face powder, I use the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in 440. And now I'm just going to take that same shade that I put it in my crease. I'm going to use that for my blush. Now I'm going to use my Beige highlighter in Peach Fizz. Now for my lips, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Lip Liner Brownie and my NYX Butter Gloss in Tiramisu. Now I'm using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to set my face. And that is it, y'all. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I hope you all like this makeup look. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers this year at least. So please subscribe, comment, like, share, tell everybody you know. Also, everything I use will be listed in the description box. And I will see you all the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.